Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. This is a golden quickie. Boy, apparently, allegedly, Jahshii was arrested at midnight for the first day of the new year. This is all allegedly. We haven't received any legit confirmation that he was arrested, but there's some video out there that's on the internet that came from his live, allegedly, showing that he was in a police station. You know, with that, we don't know if it could be a music video, so we have to be careful when we're reporting, because it's New Year's Eve, we wait to see when the media will get back to us. So you can hear some sounds from the police station. I'll play the video and let you guys hear. But this is what we were talking about on our live 2 weeks ago when we played the Jahshii interview and we analyzed it and we're saying that the police are going to be harassing him. So we don't know if this is really happening or if it's a music video. But if it is happening, these are the kind of things we're talking about. Either way, we hope everything works out and there's nothing serious that happened. And it's just hopefully a music video. Really, truly. If not a music video, then we hope he gets through okay. If he's not guilty of anything. Anyways, pick up yourself. Happy New Year, everyone. Bless.
Dancehall artist Jahshii and friends can be seen in handcuffs on the start of New Year's at 12 a.m.
JP 99 there.
Maybe that have to go down tomorrow morning, sir. I mean, later because it's after 12 now, so maybe tomorrow morning then. I'll be there tomorrow morning. No, the first. Miss Brown, you have any bill up from?
Yeah.
The first one come here.
Happy New Year.
Tomorrow morning, to go to Bela.
No, make you come fine, man. No, make you go. Man, supposing can go to JP.
One over.
So make you never carry ID?
Yeah, I did it.
You carry ID?
No, I'm not present. I don't remember.
Film ID. If you did have film ID, you could have get him one shorty.
The person who appealed him have to have a light bill or water bill supposed to be in there.
Alright, let the JP write a letter saying more. You're not to get a picture come right now.
Okay, alright.
No.
I know we're not in though, understand me? You said we not in bro.
If you have a $50,000, JP will write you. If you don't pay that bill or water bill in your name, the JP write a letter saying no, you're away.
Okay, so what about you land paper?
You don't need land paper.
I shall do this with the coming back.
Alright. Clock same alright.
Okay. I say back in the night. I knew you're ready. And you have to go get you for the bike you up.
You know, say we're shitting nice.
Make it shitty nice. The cool man them come. And we pay back a feedback for I know a rocky girl. Friends were really going to me. I remember I come phone for check the damn phone. And soon take it fling away.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share, and like. Thanks.